Hey, what's up DIYers, Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking dishwashers today. And in the event that your dishwasher is not getting warm water or heating, we're going to talk about the most common causes. Let's get started. All right, DIYers, inside the kitchen now, there's our Whirlpool dishwasher. Again, a couple common causes of your dishwasher not getting hot water or heating at the very end. First, let's go over to the faucet and test your hot water. We have a tankless water heater, so it takes a few minutes for the cold water to turn hot. And in the event that you are not getting any hot water out of your faucet, the next thing you need to direct your attention to is your water heater, wherever it is, maybe down in the basement or inside a utility room. Let's go check it out. All right, DIYers, downstairs in the utility room now, and there is our tankless water heater. You may have a tankless or you may have a standard tank that holds anywhere from 28 gallons up to 50 plus gallons of water. However, when you get down to your water heater, verify it is powered. We have a tankless again, and as you can see here, you can see that it is powered. And you also want to check everything electrically. Here is the electrical box. You got the green light. Follow it all the way to your circuit breaker panel, and make sure that your circuit, in our case, number 33, and 33 is on, and that is a 20 amp circuit. So all looks good there. And back to the water heater. Right now it's off and set to 115 degrees, which is standard for a tankless water heater. It's a perfect temperature for us. Anything lower than that, such as 112 or 110, maybe 108 or 105, you may run into your dishwasher or your washing machine for your clothes not actually being able to dissolve the detergent, and that's not good. The next thing to check with a tankless water heater, although it is showing that it has power, it's very quiet, meaning it's off right now. Let's go turn on the hot water and verify it's up and running. Back upstairs, let's go ahead and turn on the hot water, and let's head back downstairs. And in our case, we got 199,000 BTU, and this is an awesome tankless water heater. Rene, very popular and respectable brand, and it is very quiet. Not sure if you can hear it, however, it now has that red in-use light illuminated on the actual control panel. So take note of that. So with all that said, we can only show you what goes on with a tankless water heater. Now, in the event that you have a standard tank, what we will do is post a link above, scrolling right now, and that will take you to our video that shows you the actual old tank we used to have installed here and how we open up the lower panel and inspect the pilot light. And in the event that your pilot light is out, you need to relight that. So we will help you. Definitely check out that link scrolling above. Back upstairs, let's go ahead and turn off the hot water, and it is snowing outside. Next thing I want to direct our attention to your control panel. Yours may be in a different location. We have a dry select, no heat dry or heated dry. Verify your switch is on the heated dry, and if it is, at the end of the cycle you actually have a heated dry portion that assists in drying all your dishes inside your dishwasher. And down here is your heating element. Let me grab my Browning Buckmark flashlight, turn that on, and that heating element is that black bar that heats up to again help assist in the drying process of all of your dishes inside your dishwasher. Now, unfortunately, like anything else, those fail over time and will need to be replaced if it has failed. And we're not going to bore you with that in this video because again, we're covering the common causes. However, for your convenience, scrolling above is a step-by-step video on how to replace that heating element. Definitely check that out. You may find it very helpful. So those again are the common causes that could lead to your dishwasher not heating or getting hot water. Hopefully this helps. DIYers, hey, do us a favor. Below the video, you'll see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.